So this is where we keep the sternos at. You always want to make sure after every single event, every single one of these sternos is filled up completely to where it's supposed to be at. And to make sure that you check and see if they have been filled or not, I always check before I even fill it to see how much I need to actually fill it to. Because you don't want to have to empty it out because that just wastes product. You can't put it back into the can, you just have to squeeze it out and it goes out into the air. So you want to make sure you never do that to where you're wasting product. So I'm looking to see, and there's only a little bit that I have to fill up. There's not really the greatest way to do it, but the only way to do it is making sure that you line this thing up with this little hole. So that needs to line up with this. And see how it went in? And all you do is you set it on a table and you push down. If you do this, it's going to squirt out. You have to push straight down. And I usually like holding it down with one hand and the other one pushing straight down. And I always test it to see, especially if I know there's not going to be much that needs to go in there, I always test it to see how much more I need. Because like I said, you do not want to waste any product. You can't tell until you actually put it on the scale how much you actually need. So you need to be taking it off of the thing every time. So see, if I would have kept going, it would have been on the overfill line. It always needs to make sure that you're right on that line right there, not past it. So then I'm putting it upside down right here where it's supposed to go. But you always want to make sure before you bring a sterno out into a chafing dish for brand new events, you always want to make sure you're checking them and testing them and making sure that they are filled.